The audio of this video because the GoPro audio isn't good. I don't know what's happening, but it's kind of a static sound. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this apartment tour that we rented in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. So everything is actually complete in the kitchen. So you have the microwave, the plates, the kitchen utensils, the tools that you needed to cook for your meals and such. So you have this little hallway going to the dining table, the bedroom, and also the living room. So it's kind of weird build, but I think it's fine. And yeah, there are some frames that you could see. So I think yeah, it's kind of cute. Like if you really own this house, you could also, you know, put some figurines in there or anything. So here's the living room and the dining table. So as you can see, the dining table is actually my working space. And yeah, it's actually a beautiful apartment. So there's the restroom on this side. The refrigerator is here, which is actually kind of weird as well because it's kind of far from the kitchen. So here's the restroom or the toilet room. So yeah, so the shower is here, and the toilet is on the other side, and then there's washing machine, which is I like because you know we don't need to go to any laundry area for our clothes. I can just wash it here. And they have this hanging thing or hanging rack, and then this is kind of cool, hot and cold shower or something like that. And yeah, what I like about this apartment as well is that they have what do you call that thing that you can wash your, this one, I forgot what is this, but yeah, I kind of like it because of that, because as you know, growing up as a Filipino, we always do that. And yeah, so this is the cabinet where you can find the cleaning stuff for the house. And yeah, living room, this is where some of the plates are stored. As you can see, it's kind of really, you know, it's strange because it's kind of far from the kitchen as well. So imagine washing all of the dishes and then you're gonna walk to the hallway to put it back here. But yeah, and then there's the bedroom. As you can see, it's a nice bed, it's comfortable. So we have this television that we barely use actually, and then yeah, those little cabinets for storage or something. And then there's the aircon up there, because you know it's really hot in Brazil as well. And then the cabinets, they also have this thing where you can put your, what is that? Is that a locker or something? But yeah, they have that iron. Yeah, it's actually a nice apartment. It's like everything you need is there. So all you just need is to bring your clothes and just yourself, and then you already have a house. So yeah, now we go to the balcony. They also have this hanging rack where you can hang some of your clothes. And then, yeah, the chairs and a small table where you can chill. So yeah, I think we are on the 10th or 11th floor, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is our neighbors. So we are in Copacabana, Rio de Janeiro. Copacabana is actually a touristy area as well, and it's also considered safe place for travelers or tourists in Rio de Janeiro. So the beach is just there, you can just walk there. And yeah, this place is also near, like there's a lot of restaurants nearby, and also grocery stores, pharmacy. So yeah, or shopping if they also have like boutiques for clothes, shoes. Everything you need is actually here on this area. So yeah, it's really nice. And yeah, I'm gonna put the link to the Airbnb, so if ever you visit Copacabana in Rio de Janeiro, you can rent this apartment. Yeah, this is really a nice neighborhood or nice place for the tourists or travelers, because everything you need is there once you go down. And they have the beach that is nearby. You can just walk and then swim and then go home. So yeah, I think that's all for now. Again, I'm gonna post the link below for the apartment so you could rent it when you visit Copacabana. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please do follow my social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!